Most Americans are not broke because they don't earn enough. They are broke because they never learned how money actually works. The system teaches people how to work, but not how to manage income, debt, or risk. A raise feels like progress, but lifestyle inflation quietly eats it. More money comes in, more expenses follow. Credit cards feel harmless until minimum payments become permanent. People blame rent, gas, and taxes, but the real problem is invisible spending. Subscriptions nobody uses, daily convenience purchases, impulse buys justified as small. Over time, these habits drain thousands of dollars every year. The wealthy don't avoid spending. They control it. They track cash flow. They delay gratification. They make money decisions emotionally boring. That's the difference. If you want to stop being broke, stop focusing on income first. Fix your behavior. Money follows discipline.